Hi everybody. The other day a customer dropped off a lawnmower here. Her son was using it and was complaining about a very bad vibration. Evidently he hit a tree stump or he hit something and bent the blade upwards. So of course it causes a very bad vibration. A lot of times the keyway in the flywheel would give way if you hit something, and then it would knock the ignition timing off. Therefore the engine wouldn't run anymore, but this engine kept running. So far what I found was this engine cover, the shroud, wasn't even bolted on anymore. It just ripped away from the bolts here. These two little bolts that go in the back here, they're gone, but the hole in the shroud is oblong and pulled away, and I don't know what happened to the bolts, but it's not looking too promising to put these bolts back in the front here. This is all, the threads in there are all messed up in here. And also these bolts here to hold the back of the shroud on, you could just wobble them in there. So that's part of the engine, so it's probably all stripped out. Also, I found the dipstick is broke. I just stuck it in there enough so I can get it on the bench and tilt it to see exactly what was going on. Another thing I found was, it looks like the engine mounting bolts are loose. You can shake the whole engine back and forth. I don't know if it cracked the deck or not, but I don't think this, I know this engine can't be used again. I know I have used parts for it, but for her to put in this kind of money into this and have it not run right again would be silly. Usually when the crankshaft bends, the oil seal, crank seal, would leak oil out, but I don't see any evidence of that. So anytime you hit something and you have a vibration like this, just shut the machine off or see what's going on. You can change the blade yourself if you can, or take it into the lawnmower shop and have them change the blade or whatever, and you wouldn't cause all this damage that was caused here. I'm going to call a lady and see what she wants to do. I don't have a used engine, but I would have to take the engine off this and make sure the mower deck isn't cracked. It could be cracked. Vibrations are very bad, you know, on the lawnmower. So that's it. I'll keep you updated on this. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.